Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Vasile Garage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazy Man Garage.
You're watching Lazy Man Garage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazy Man Garage.
And good afternoon. I've been working on this car like non-stop. Got all this grinded down and welded, and I filled in some holes with the weld. Like I said, I'm not the best welder. So as you can see here, it's all one piece now, all the way through. So when I grind this all down, I don't have like waves and stuff like that. And on this side, I said, you know, I'm just gonna go full send. It's gonna get covered up with Bondo anyways. I'm gonna smooth it out and all that noise. So I welded the entire area that had that gap that's no longer there. So we're making good progress here on the front end. Hopefully it went through. I got to take off this, and I got to take off the suspension on this side and do the inside, because I'm not trying to ruin my suspension and get get it burnt and all that noise. Sorry for the feedback. My microphone is right here, so if you hear it's my bad. Got this over here all squared away. This is what Trenton welded. If you guys follow me on Instagram, link is down below if you guys want to. So far I got a lot of stuff done here. Got the front end on the floorboard straight across, all done. Show you that right now. So where you see the blue is this rust stop paint that I have, because I'm not trying to get rust again, because if you've been following me for a long time, people from the Lazy Man crew know the rust I had to deal with, so I'm not trying to deal with that. But I welded it all the way through. Still got to do this side right here, all the way through. I got to remove the seam sealer. Started doing these spots right here at the door of the seats and the rear spot. I don't know if it's necessary, but I'm doing it anyways. Started getting the inside right here. I still needed to get that side over there. I need to take off that bracket and label it, because I'm not trying to lose it. Like I said, still have this over here done. I had to wait because I got a new mask. And I also bought me new gloves and sleeves so I don't burn myself anymore. And I got the coolest thing I got to show you guys. So I ordered this welding helmet, and I love it. It's cool. It's really, really good. It's an auto-dimming welding helmet, just like the last one I had, which so apparently they don't sell replacements for the battery thing, because when it dims and stuff like that, when it dies, you're pretty much shit out of luck. So I went on Amazon, I bought one of these, the Yes Welder. I'd never heard of them, but it does its job. And this is also a Yes Welder thing. This thing is amazing, dude. I know it looks weird, but it looks fake, and it looks like something that came out of Fisher Price. But this thing works. Instead of it dimming to green, it dims to blue, and I can see a lot more light. And it has an auto dimmer right there, and it picks up the light. So if I were to shine it at this light, let's see if you guys can see. Hold on. Okay, right now you guys are looking through the lens of the glasses. This is what I see right here. So I'm going to look up at the light, because the light lets off a fluorescent beam, and it will dim the light. So when I look up at the light, that's what I see. But with welding, it's a lot different. So everything else looks normal, right? So when I take off the glasses, so you guys can tell the difference. This is only 18 bucks. If you guys are interested in something like this is not a sponsor, but for welding, that's a must, because I know how hard it is to weld with one of these underneath a car to do an exhaust, because when I did the exhaust, I damn near broke my neck. That would come in handy, but it does not protect your face for shit. So be warned. But 18 bucks for something like this? Come on. Hello, and welcome to the sweet sounds of Chris. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I've been got a whole bunch of new materials and stuff like that, so I've been welding left and right. I still have a lot more welding to do. The welding part is fun. The part I hate the most is grinding. I hate grinding so much that it sucks. So what I'm going to do now, because I've been welding at this for like past maybe hour or two, I'm going to let the welder cool down a little bit, because I just, I want to take safety precautions. It's not that it overheats. It's a great welder. I just want to take a break real quick, because your boy is thirsty, and he's hungry. Yeah, I haven't eaten today. Yeah, as many as you can put up there. So right now I got Ryan in the car. He's doing some welding. It's weird watching this with my glasses on. So he's welding up the inside. We still have the roof to do. But I got these parts over here so far on the door panels, on the A-pillars, or B-pillars. It's his first time. Go easy on him, guys. Okay.
I've been welded since 2005.
So now that you got that side done, turn to your right. I did that side for you too. Have fun. So Ryan's question to me right now was, how do I get in here? I'm so much bigger. And I was like, wow, thanks for calling me fat. And he's like, no, it's because I'm skinnier and I'm smaller. So he's going to start welding that side right there where I put the metal down. So if you guys have seizures, don't watch this part. As good as that's going to get. See, and I could watch this perfectly fine because on my end, I got my glasses on. The reason why I'm not using these to weld is because I got a mean sunburn from it 2 days ago. So, burnt yourself? Blowing it? Oh, I thought you were going to do it with the helmet on again. Caught on fire. You're all, oh! Oh, fuck. Just realized I had to come over here and open my door so that way it doesn't get melted. Yep. So Ryan asked me if he could do more. He says, welding's fun. So I gave him the belt sander and I said, have at it. Find any cracks that are together that are factory, weld them shut. So that's what he's currently doing right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on, wait, where is this? I'll just flip the camera around. Like I said, he's currently sanding down areas for him to weld, because if you weld, if you haven't welded before, you can't weld on paint. You need solid metal to weld onto. So as long as it's scratched up and doesn't have to be perfect, you can either scratch it down if like the paint is thin or anything like that. You can scratch it down with a little bit of paper, like sandpaper. But he's really happy, and this is making him happy, so that's all that matters. Alright guys, so what I'm going to start doing now is, it's nighttime, it's dark as hell outside, and I still have enough time, so I'm going to grind all this down and make this all smooth and stuff like that, and do all this. I don't have that much gas. Where my gas reaches is right there, so I don't have that much gas. Probably have enough gas to fill in any holes that do surface when I grind this all down. I welded the inside of this part of the frame of the car that goes across here. Welded all that, that's all done. Got that done on that side. Got this side over here done, that side over there done. Still need to do the rear. Still need to do the rest of this on the floor. Still need to get rid of all the seam sealer here and do all that there. Then get the seats done, that done, this one over here done, and done. And then get the wall, the firewall, get that all squared away, and then get the roof. The roof is last because I have all this stuff here and I have nowhere to put it, and I already know that stuff's gonna burn through. So the roof is last, and then after that I can continue finalizing the rest of the CRX, because that's all welded. This is all welded finally, no more holes. But I still need to take off this suspension, and the other suspension part will first roll the car back so I have room, get this all welded up. But I need to get more gas. So I have a lot of welding to do, just not enough gas. So I'm just going to do some grinding and take my mind off of things. So that's before. Okay, get a good look at it. Alright, and that's what it looks like now. So I still have to fill in little spots because I want this to be 100% smooth. And I got all this done, and I did all this. So what I do now is I go in between again, and then when I grind it all down, it'll be one smooth piece. Because some Honda metal like this, well, not Honda metal, but some metal in general, will start burning a hole through it, and it'll start looking like this. So I just weld across, weld across, weld across, and then when I grind it all down, it'll be one entire piece. So for an example of what I'm talking about was, this is a big hole, and I'll show you what it looked like on the other side. This is exactly what it looked like. Had this big hole, and it was like that, but it was a lot bigger on that side. So I hammered it together and made it smooth. So that's what welding essentially does, is now it's one whole solid piece. One solid piece. So it won't break, it'll hold itself together, it penetrated through the metal, and that's good. So now I gotta get the other side with the little bit of gas I have left. Hopefully I can wing it. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I reply to every single comment. If I don't, it's because I'm lazy, but I do heart your comments. If you guys need anything for your motor, if you want to build anything like that, I'm kind of tired. Been out here since 7. SB Machine Shop, their link is down below. Tell them I sent you. They do motors worldwide. They even built BG Moto's motor for the wagon and for the Porsche. So if that didn't tell you something, I don't know what will. Also, Omo Motorsports in Montclair, California. If you guys need any parts, let them know that I sent you. They will ship worldwide, even to Australia, for you people out in Australia who watch my videos. Because I noticed there's like 4 people who watch my videos. I'm babbling now because I'm tired, but hopefully you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm tired. I'm going to get some food. My name is Chris. I'm from Lazy Man Garage, so I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.